So we're on the land. Let me check my trees. I know me. You want to clean up. Some mango upon it. Alright, people, some two fever grass. So the man now clean up the land, you know. And my ackee tree I struggle. My ackee tree, yeah. More clean up. I'm soon now. I don't pay as much attention as the other land. That right there saw the panganet. Yeah. I want to clean up people. People me so busy. Eh? Eh? Yeah, they pick that. Okay. So now you know, say, I plant some orange tree over here now. It grew up fast, see, man. Wow. Orange tree, them covered. See orange tree there? So them not for growing nothing on the bottom of it. I'll clean out that. Sugar cane. And the orange tree, wow. I neglect my own thing, you know, Lenky. That's the problem with me, you know. I always I do things with people and they neglect me. The orange tree over there, so you know. Why am I neglect my thing so much? Can't even find the orange tree. Where's the? No man, I forgot to stop. I forgot to start take care of my thing. I was to take care of people, you know. Running no selfish, you know. That's all enough to remind me to take care of myself. Wow, mango them. See mango them come over up on your land. So I can't eat alright mango right now off of the land, so then kill it. So why the man have to clean the land now and go on with nothing? Sure man, them things that hurt me, you know. So people, when you're dealing with people that clean your place, you must make them get picture every week. You pay a man to do something in Jamaica. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. It's good to have a land in Jamaica. Have a own land. And they have him land. This is how it works. Then you go on your land and plant your mint from you. Then he's planting my mint for me. Both and sow my mint for me. I give thanks so now. So, Jamaica Good Life. Our Jamaica Good Life farmers have to, depends on who it is, talk to me. Our farmers them work. We pay them more than the daily wages. We don't hire them. So they're a superstar. Right, Lenky? So you guys must have your stuff planted. Huh? Yeah. I wish it was all clean like this, Lenky. The whole land. You can't make it look like this? I'm going to buy it and give it today. So you have it yourself?
Yes.
So then I don't have to say nothing to you?
No, and then place we're going to piece of time for road and sleep, man. Right, it's dirty. I mean, I'm going to chang, you know. It's in the man. You buy every shoe, right?
Yeah, Lenky.
You know, go to you can't see me like, you mash up, you understand me. See me alone, kill you. What place dancing? That would be a green.
Wood, because when I plant,
Be green.
you see all the way up, so? Where I just plant. You see all of this I can plant, you know. So Link, we don't want to plant mint for all of this. Mint and fever grass.
You can't plant it, man. That's okay, man. Let me say to get the land clean. You have the sucker already, you know. You have mint that coming, you know. Problem, you know.
They're not too close.
No.
Or black mint them small.
No one you can plant, one are close.
The black mint small.
I'm planting on a different space.
Them one they run wild.
Picture of 50 mint, you know. You have mint, you know. You're supposed to get that no mint, you know what I mean? You have mint. You don't have no mint, you know. You cut mint and set mint, you know what I mean? Cut mint and set it. Cut mint and set it and plant. Cut mint like how you see it and set it in the barrel. Just cut it and plant. Clean land. Then clean, burn off the place. Burn on the fever grass and chop up. This clean, man. This is 50, man. Check. Bush of peace, man, go so far.
To the big one.
Ah, man. I planted the thing, man. We're going to plant it. The mint, we don't care about no mint. You come and plant it. So you're planting. Start fixing it. I think I can plant.
Jamaica Good Life. Feel good to have your own land in a Jamaica when nobody now fight you for your land. Give thanks to mama. You have to give thanks to mama, you know. And mama buy it, you know. You see when we out the road I waste money for a woman and mama buy land for you, you know. Always give your mother money, you know. And always help your mother buy a house. Because guess what, Linky? A man will always fall upon his face. You see a woman? Now fall upon his face, so. You see me? She always have something to save up. So give thanks for all the women them, not Jamaican women them, where son take care of them and then take care of their son. Because sometimes in life, you know, Linky, and only your mama did it for you, you know, brother. And when you get big, you know, and everybody take your things, guess what? I just mama, you know. Mama never left it. That's why I did take care of my mama when me did hop. And that's when she said the boy hop, you know. And the boy take care of me when he hop. Because there's up and down in a life. You see me? So people, want to take care of their mothers. Okay? Please take care of their mothers. Who me can wash mouth pan today? I have to wash mouth pan somebody. I have to cuss out somebody today. Hey man called Tommy, pick up yourself. Fireman. You see everybody will love the show, man. Send me need a drink, Lenky. Me need a bottle of whiskey. Or something nice. All my fans them can't. You tell me say the fans them will love. You mean say the man them can't say, you know, say we for buy a night. You know, say our restaurant is show we never get round there drink. And them said them love me, you know. So, but what you just? Just a call me and tell me say you love me. Come and make you. You see when them garden yard? I come home at night time. You say, yo, what happened? Where around there link you up? What Gaza say? What Bolton I say? What people you see him over there, so? Him are the general. Him will take care on the Linky. Man, you chat me up in a Linky. Him are the this are the Michael Jordan farming. Get him water boat, get him thing. Linky are the Linky are the man. Him are the one. Only don't thief him from me. Alright, don't sweet him up and thief him from me. Don't make nobody thief you from me, no Linky. People like thief people from people, you know. You see one says, somebody good. Hey, Randy, I can't talk to Linky. Come or something if you do over my yard. You see ones then catch you over the yard. Me not hear from you again, you know. Next thing they capture you, send you to a brother. I said, okay, then. I said, Maya, I'm doing Randy. Nobody run with no Linky. This good man in Jamaica working man. Ladies, if you know 30 and below you look for, right? You know look for no 50 and above. No. Because you need children.
Yeah.
Me want to see the day when you have your youth, you know, because I come baby shower, you know, brother. I want to, my focus is to come to your baby shower and buy a stroller for you. That is my dream with you. You see me? Yeah. So whatever beautiful girl out there want to relocate to Jamaica and be a school teacher or a doctor, see a farmer man there, you don't have to be doctors, right? Him can be the farmer and she can be the doctor, right? You will support her, right, Linky? My dream, Linky, is to come for your wedding. You have to meet me in the wedding party, you know. You can't. You know, say Tony and Norway. Look at people. Bolton, you know what you do for me, Bolton? This is for me land. And Bolton, your energy is on my land. That's what I tell you, I rate you. And the only thing in life you ever do for me. I always say that, the people that around the top say that. But when I come to Jamaica, this was my goal. And guess what? With Linky and Bolton, I accomplished the goal. To build a new team with respect and trust and loyalty and commitment to the mission. Now wear the t-shirt just because you get paid for work. It's agenda unity. It can be done. I'm going to build one of the strongest team. Usain Bolt and LeBron James over there. So Marcus the boat. But tell you. And Gaza the boat. You see me? So in the cut, we're keeping it moving. You see? Okay, see this? Nothing grow. Nothing grow on the orange tree now. Alright, my work done for the day. That's too much work for me. Hold the camera already. It's heavy camera, iPhone heavy. It is to see there. I am good youth. Good Jamaican youth. Randy for the sugar cane farm. Randy for the sugar cane. Swayze, pick up yourself. Swayze, not be lazy. Randy for the sugar cane farm. And the work out that's hard. No big of yourself, Mr. Brown. And the funny man called the man name again. And the funny sugar cane farm. Johnny Taylor. Big up yourself, my lad. Johnny Taylor, man called Tommy Farmer. Man, you trust in us and Nadisha. Remember, guys, Nadisha have medical issues, so we have to raise some money for Nadisha medical bills. Aliyah, big up yourself. Johnny Tex, you know how it go. Jennifer. CC. Nadine Lee, Maria D. Thank you for the gas. You put gas in the car this morning, Maria D. We're fed up on the move with the team. You see me? So it takes a team. Echo stand, you know it go already. Bomb clock! This a busy really want to tear me up. It look like you thing me, you know.
This thing ended, yeah. This thing ended, yeah. I want back on this one.
It look like the nest right now, so.
Give me a stand, man. You know what I'm saying? But man, I'm going to be doing a bump mess around.
Why it look like say the bees take me to what's our bees? A bees, right? A bees. Look like the bees take me, you know, people. I make a good life in a tree. I pick a mango off of my tree. That is big life. So Lenky, I go clean up the place for me.
If he's there, then get to the no madman. Keep the place here, bro. You know, I'm starting to pick by one right for them.
Which part? Won't get your tick.
Take up that.
Yeah, we finished the mint. So that was good. So people look. How house that?
Huh? What house?
Is that house?
Yeah, man.
How full house that?
I'm better one on business space, man. We a business space, man. I got any name. I want enough business space, man.
And that's why I'm planting grass? You put cow on it?
You work a cow and change them now.
You know everybody?
Yeah, man. This I know I'm just I come find yourself go on a few if you go straight on me do so. I turn up the business because I'm busy so you jack me up where this I'm going with business.
Oh, from the street, from the street. So you come there so and you go around so.
I turn up so.
Okay.
Easy. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Goat farm and cow farm and raise goats and cow. And that cow.
Nice.
That's it. You gotta go over there and house help.
That's all?
Get yourself a job over there. Because I know one. It's anyway, man. And for the own.
You know, some of the drive here, so one time I'm with the GPS and they take me down here, so I drive the road there a couple of days ago, you know. First time I drive that curvy road, I never drive it before. And then the GPS take me down and then I go on a royal flash and say, oh, yeah, so you come. So I do it already, you know. So I'm serious, you know, cut cross. So it's a better way to go around, so it's quick, you know.
Shorter.
And then you cut back through the Texaco. Oh, so you better me cut through the Texaco and use the GPS.
Yeah, I go way around, so I go through all them places, you know.
So I noticed that people in Jamaica them really like them paint. them really like them house them get nice.
Yeah. Different
So every
colours.
man just get them block and just take them time and buy them block and them thing and them just build little by little. So we're going to your house now?
Yeah, I'm gonna go soon reach my place.
Alright, Sita people. The land for sale, man, go get it. Right, that's all. Let's get it. I'm gonna support Lenky.
I'm gonna build you up, you know.
People. So I'll come over there, so if you get a cow, where would you put that? New hall. Yes, I've been to New Hall. New Hall, Bella Tower. Wow, is that farming? Of course, nice. Yeah, the whole Jamaica just relax, you know? Only where you have the little islands them. Okay. If I live, no idlers not around them.